The 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 is the highest-grade version for the fully electric Hummer sport utility vehicle. It is filled with characteristics and efficiency, making it one of the most capable and lavish SUVs available. Here is a brief summary of the Hummer EV SUV Edition 1. Two electric engines generate a total of 830 HP and 1,100 lb-ft of twisting force. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Range estimated by the EPA, spanning 314 miles. Air suspension featuring extract mode that elevates the car by 6 inches. The crab walk feature enables the vehicle to move sideways. Super Cruise automated driving technology. 13.4-inch interactive display system with integrated Google for accessing information and entertainment. 12.3-inch electronic display for vehicle information. Seats in the second row that can fold automatically. Regular dimension additional tire. The first edition of the Hummer EV SUV is quite expensive, with a base price of $112,595. However, it comes with characteristics and functioning that make it an attractive option for purchasers seeking the utmost in lavishness and capacity of electric SUVs. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of the Hummer EV SUV Edition 1. Advantages: remarkable performance. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 showcases exceptional speed and strength, providing an exhilarating driving experience on both paved streets and rugged terrains. Great distance. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 possesses an extensive amount of mileage, which makes it an excellent option for journeys on the road. Cutting-edge technology. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 comes equipped with cutting-edge technology like Super Cruise autonomous driving and crab walk function. Opulent interior. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 features a lavish interior with ample room for both passengers and luggage. Negative aspects. Costly. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 comes with a high price tag. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 is extremely bulky, which has the potential to impact the ease of maneuvering and the efficiency of fuel consumption. Limited stock. The Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 can only be purchased in restricted amounts. In general, the 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV Edition 1 is an outstanding electric SUV that provides a blend of power, comfort, and advanced features that is unrivaled by any other SUV available for purchase. However, it is crucial to consider that it is highly costly and only accessible in restricted amounts.